Hongsheng Special Vehicle Co., Ltd. is a global leading special-purpose vehicle manufacturer. It has independent research and development, design, manufacturing, and sales, import and export trade services of special-purpose vehicles. The company covers a total area of 500,000 square meters, with over 700 workers and 70 technical engineers. Material cutting machine. Automatic welding machine. Compactor garbage truck welding. Fire truck testing. Customized compactor garbage truck testing. Water truck testing. Heavy-duty road wrecker truck testing. Sending a batch of garbage compactor trucks to the port. Thanks.